This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Wix and selecting the site you want to change. Once signed in, open My Sites and pick the project. This gives access to dashboard tools. Click Edit Site to load the visual editor, or use Site Actions to access analytics and domains. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for account safety. Once done, the editor will load your pages and site structure so you can begin editing content and settings immediately. You now focus on arranging content and structure. Use the left toolbar to add pages, strips, text blocks, and media. Drag and drop to reposition elements for visual hierarchy. Switch to mobile view to ensure responsiveness and tweak spacing so elements don't overlap. Open the Site menu to reorder pages and set page permissions. Also, edit SEO settings per page to improve discoverability, and connect required apps or integrations so forms, bookings, or stores function. You finish by publishing and verifying the live site. Click Publish, then open the live URL to confirm SSL, links, forms, and payment flows work as expected. If updates don't appear, clear your browser cache and try a hard reload. If forms fail, check app settings and spam filters. For domain issues, inspect DNS records in the Domains panel. If problems persist after republishing and DNS checks, contact Wix support with screenshots and the site ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.